Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About the square root, we can change into 4 plus x to the power of 1 over 2. And now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to the s. dv, that is about this one. The s. The integration of this one, you got about v equals to 4 plus x to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 over 1 plus 1 over 2. And this one, that is about 3 over 2. This one, that is about 3 over 2. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have s multiplied by this one minus du multiplied by v. So we have the integration of this one in here. So the integration of 4 plus s to the power of 3 over 2, you will have about 4 plus s to the power of 5 over 2. 5 over 2, because 3 over 2 plus 1, you got about 5 over 2 over 3 over 2 multiplied by 5 over 2. And we put about c. And this one should be about 15 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching. This is the end. Thank you for watching.